Wealth Activator Code Review. Becoming rich and millionaire is not the easy thing. Most of us have the desire to achieve financial independence, as we all have the dream of being economically wealthy. Do you ever think why some people get rich quickly? Have you aimed to live a debt-free life? Or you want to activate your wealth DNA? If you're going to build wealth and financial success, you are in the right place. You have a great chance to read Alex Maxwell's life-changing and bank account-boosting information. Wealth Activator Code is a fantastic program that helps you to switch on the wealth DNA. It helps you to gain richness, money, and wealth you desire effortlessly. What is Wealth Activator Code? Wealth Activator Code is the most effective program that helps you to engage and epigenetically train your wealth DNA. This program depends upon the law of attraction and abundance thinking. It does not matter what your gender, age, nationality or race. This program will help you to get success, wealth, debt-free, fulfilling purpose-rich life. It will be powered and activated automatically. It helps you to get true wealth, success, and money. It does not require any technologies like CRISPR to transform your genes in your genome. This program will naturally manifest things like personality, IQ, and income level. You will be able to live a rich and financially rewarding life. How does Wealth Activator Code work? Wealth Activator Code is the step-by-step program that helps you to change your wealth DNA's behavior. This program will manifest everything in different ways. It uses the game-changing epigenetics technology that helps you to create the real wealth-oriented person. It does not matter what experience or background or education or family history you may have. This program will change your wealth genes epigenetically. It will motivate the right behaviors in your wealth genes. This ebook helps you to manifest the wealth generation traits and outward behaviors. It helps you to exercise past dormant wealth DNA. You will get the money-making mindset. You will wake up worry and stress-free. You will be surrounded by beauty, luxury, friends, and family. This program will show you the revolutionary way to change your wealth building, money making, and destiny. You will have a great chance to behave and think like the billionaire. So, you will behave like kings, pharaohs, high-powered CEOs, and industrialists. It will transform your gene behave at the molecular level. This system will build the financial flood into your life. What will you learn from Wealth Activator Code? You will learn how to behave, think, and earn money like the billionaire. You will discover how to use epigenetics to rewrite the way your genes express for your life transformation. It will show you 10 ways to reprogram your wealth DNA easily. This program helps you to build your wealth exit plan and make use of the personal strategy for your financial independence. You will learn how to generate money windfalls right now to get you started. With this program, you will discover how to decode your wealth genes. This method will help you to jumpstart your fortune instantly. You will learn how to improve your ability for great wealth. You will get the keys to rapid wealth. It helps you to generate control, power, momentum, and influence in a few weeks. You will learn how to use the success secrets for ultra-wealthy. You will discover how multimillionaires revert from failure quick.